everyone, welcome to Time Crunch Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to eat healthy without making a big change to your lifestyle. And this is actually going to be done in real time because I just got home from the grocery store and I'm cutting all of my veggies first because I want it to be just as easy to grab a pepper as a snack as it is to grab a pretzel or a potato chip because it's already done and already prepared. And as you probably know, I really don't like meal prep. I don't believe in making your meals all day on Sunday and devoting all that time to it because in addition to spending all that time doing it, I feel like it's like picking your outfit for the week. You know, you don't know on Sunday what you're going to want on Thursday or what's going to come up or how your body's going to feel or the weather, all of which influences what you wear and what you eat. So that being said, I do not meal prep, but I food prep. So all of the veggies are cut, the fruits cut, whatever it is that then later on, I just cook it and the tedious part is out of the way. So I had a little error with the previous video. So I'm already done cutting a red pepper and I'm halfway through a green pepper, and I'm then going to cut an onion because I'm making fajitas tonight. And again, this is the most tedious part, so as long as my veggies are cut, it'll be really easy to just prepare the chicken and throw this all together and add the toppings later. So as long as, you know, I took the time to go grocery shopping, might as well add 5 more minutes and cut and prepare my veggies. So this is all about pretty much done. And what I did show before that apparently got deleted is when you cut a pepper, just so you can see the insides, just cut along the outsides all the way around, rotate it, and then you're free of the seeds. So all the peppers are done, and this is in a microwave and dishwasher safe container. It's perfect for food prep and meal prep, and they're reusable, so that's all in there. I could enjoy it as a snack as I'm cooking dinner as well. And then I'm going to cut the onion. I'm only going to cut half of the onion because it's actually a lot, especially if I'm making fajitas that contain only 2 chicken breasts and 2 peppers, or not even 2 full peppers for 2 people. So half of an onion is fine. It could get to be a bit much. So I'm just going to peel off the skin. I don't have a nifty technique with an onion. Just don't cut it and then touch your eyes. I like to cut my onion last for that reason, so that I'm less likely to touch my eyes to make them burn. Just slice it up like that, really nice. And they're all thin, and then just put it on top. And you could do this for carrots, celery, anything else that you enjoy for a fresh snack. Same thing with fruit. Make sure to wash and cut your fruit. And there you go. You have all of your veggies ready to go. And now later I could just, after cooking my chicken in the pan, throw these in, saute them up, and it's perfect for the fajitas. So that is your Time Crunch Tuesday tip of the week. Wash and prep your fruits and vegetables as soon as you get home from the grocery store. So that's an easy snack to have on hand when you're hangry and you just can't wait to eat something. It's so much easier to just go to something that's already cut and washed than to start fresh. So trust me, you will be less likely to go to the unhealthy side because you really have no excuse. Eating healthy is just as convenient if you wash and prep it as soon as you get home. So that is my Time Crunch Tuesday tip of the week. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Stay warm, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye.